Good morning student, grade 8, subject maths. Our next topic is multiplying 3 or more monomials. Multiplying 3 or more monomials. Exercise 9.2. Find the product of 4 and 7p. 4 is a monomial term and 7p is also monomial term. So, product of 2 monomials. So, 4 into 7p. 4 into 7p. First we multiply 4 plus 4. First we multiply sign, next one number, the third one variable. First we multiply sign, second one number, third one variable. First we multiply plus into plus, plus into plus, plus 4 sevens are, next one multiply number, 4 sevens are 28, variable. Here no variables, only p only having, so we put p. So plus 28p. First we multiply sign, next number, next one variables. First sign plus into plus, plus next number, 4 sevens are 28, next variable p plus 28p. And second sum minus 4p comma 7p, minus 4p comma 7p, minus 4p into 7p is equal to, first we multiply sign, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus 4 sevens are, next we multiply number, 4 sevens are 28, next we multiply variable p into p, p into p. So by algebraic law of exponents formula, p into p, law of exponents formula, p into p is equal to, p into p is equal to p power 1 plus 1, p into p is equal to p power 1 plus 1, therefore minus 28, p power 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, p power 2. So first we multiply sign, minus into plus, minus 4 sevens are 28, next we multiply variables p into p, p into p, p square, p into p, p square. In law of exponents, since law of exponents formula, a power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n, a power m plus n. So variable multiply p power 1 into p power 1. So p power 1 plus 1, p power 1 plus 1, p power 2. Next one, third sum minus 4p comma 7p cube, 7p cube. So multiply 4p into 7p cube, 7p cube. First we multiply sign, minus into plus, minus into plus, minus, minus into plus, minus 4 sevens are, next we multiply number, 4 sevens are 28, 4 sevens are 28. Next we multiply variable p into p, p into p, p squared, p into p, p squared. Next variable that q, joining q. So therefore final answer is minus 28p squared q. First we multiply sign, next we multiply number, here multiply variables. So variable mean alphabets p into p, p into p, p squared into q. And second question, find the area of the rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle. Find the area of the rectangle. Find the area of the rectangles with the following: length is equal to length denoted by small l, length is equal to p, and breadth is equal to small b, breadth is equal to q. Area of a rectangle formula length into breadth. Area of a rectangle formula length into breadth. Substituting length is equal to p, breadth is equal to q. P into q is equal to pq. And second question, length is equal to 10 m, breadth is equal to 5 n. Area of a rectangle is equal to formula length into breadth. Length into breadth. Length is equal to 10 m into breadth is equal to 5 n. First we multiply sign plus into plus. Here plus, here also plus. Plus into plus equal to plus. Next number 10 5s are 50. Next variable m into n. M into n is equal to mn. M into n is equal to mn. So answer is 50 mn. 50 mn. Next third question. Length is equal to 4x. Breadth is equal to 3x squared. Length is equal to 4x. Breadth is equal to 3x squared. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Here length is equal to 4x into breadth is equal to 3x squared. Into breadth is equal to 3x squared. First we multiply sign plus into plus. Plus into plus equal to plus. Next multiply number 4 3s are 12. Next we multiply variable x squared into x squared into x. X squared into x. So law of exponents formula a power m into a power n. A power n into a power n. So a power m plus n. A power n plus 1. Therefore here x power 2 plus 1 is equal to x power 3. X power 2 plus 1 is equal to x power 3. Here x power 1, here x power 2. So adding powers 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. X into x square is equal to x power 1 plus 2, 3. X power 3. And the next third sum. And third sum completing the product. You should write fourth sum. Find the volume of the rectangle. Find the volume of the rectangle. Find the volume of the rectangle box. Here given fourth question. Find the volume of the rectangle. Giving length is equal to 5a. Breadth is equal to 3a squared, and height is equal to 7a power 4. 7a power 4. The volume of rectangle formula is equal to volume of rectangular formula is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume of rectangular formula is equal to length into breadth into height. Here length is equal to 5a and breadth is equal to 3a squared into height is equal to 7a power 4. 7a power 4. First we multiply sign plus into plus 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 into plus plus. First we multiply sign plus into plus plus. Next we multiply number 5 3s are 15. First we selected the two monomials. First we multiply sign plus into plus plus 5. Next one number 5 3s are 15. Next variable a into a square. A into a square. Two variables are same. A power 1 into a square. A power 1 into a square. So a power 1 into a square 1 plus 2 power adding the power 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. A power 3. Same variable. So law of exponents formula a power 1 into a power 2 is equal to a power 1 plus 2. A power 1 plus 2 is equal to a power 3. Next third monomial 7a power 4. So first we multiply two monomials. Third one multiply third monomials. First we multiply sign plus into plus plus So next we multiply number 15 sevens are 15 sevens are 105. 15 sevens are 105. Next we multiply variable a power 3. Same variable a power 3 into a power 4. A power 3 into a power 4. So we adding power value 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4 7. So final answer volume of the rectangle is equal to 105 a power 7. 105 a power 7. So fourth question second sum. Problem number 2, given length is equal to 2b, breadth is equal to 4q, and height is equal to 3r, 8r. Height is equal to 8r. Volume of rectangle formula. Volume of rectangle is equal to length into breadth into height. Volume of rectangle formula: length into breadth into height. Length is equal to 2b, breadth is equal to 4q, height is equal to 8r. First we multiply to first two monomials. First we multiply sign, plus into plus. Next number 4 2s are 8. Next variable p into q, pq. Next we multiply third monomial. First we sign plus into plus. Next we multiply number 8 into 8 64. Next we multiply variable pq into r, pq into r, pqr. Next one, third one, Roman letter 3. Xy length is equal to given, length is equal to xy, and breadth is equal to 2x squared y. Height is equal to given 2x squared y. Height is equal to given 2x y squared. 2x y squared. The volume of rectangle formula is equal to length into breadth into height. Length into breadth into height. So length given xy, breadth is 2x squared y, and height is equal to 2x y squared. 2x y squared. First we multiply first two monomials. Plus into plus equal to plus. Next we multiply number here. Remaining 1 into 2 is equal to here. No numbers having, so remaining 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Next variable x into x squared. So same variable x. So here power value is equal to 1. So x into x squared. So adding power value 1 plus 2 x power 3. Next variable y. So adding power value 1. Here also power value 1. So adding power value 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2. Next third monomial 2x y squared. 2x squared. First we multiply sign. Plus into plus. Next we multiply number 2 2s are 4. Next multiply variables. Same variable x into x cube. The x power 3 into x power 1. So same variable. So adding power 3 plus 1 4. Next same variable y squared into y squared. Same variable y. So adding power 2 plus 2 4. Therefore the volume of rectangle is equal to 4x power 4 into y power 4. Next go to fifth one. Obtain the product of three monomials. Obtain the product of three monomials. obtain the product of three monomials. Fifth question, no matter one, xy, yz, zx. So we multiply the three monomials xy into yz into zx. Obtain the product of three monomials xy into yz into zx. First we multiply first two monomials. First we sign plus into plus. Next number here remaining 1, here also remaining 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Next same variable x, same variable y power 1, here also y power 1, y power 1 plus 1, y power 1 plus 1, y power 1 plus 1, 2. Next one z. Multiply zx. Third one multiply by zx. First we multiply sign plus into plus. Next number main 1 ones are 1. Next same variable x into x. Here power value 1, here also power value 1. Same variable x and x. X power 1 plus 1, x power 1 plus 1, x power 2. X power 1 plus 1, x power 2. Next one y squared. So no variable in y squared. Here second third monomial. So we write y squared and z. Here same variable z into z power 1 into z power 1. So adding same variable, adding power value, same variable z into z. So adding power value 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 2. Therefore x squared, y squared, z squared. X squared into y squared into z squared. Then second question, number 2, a minus a squared, a cube. The three monomials are given: a minus a squared, a cube. A into minus a squared into a cube. First we multiply first two monomials. Here plus sign, plus into minus, minus. Next the value number 1. The number remaining number is 1. Here also remaining number is 1. 1 into 1, 1. Next variable a into a, same variable a. So a power value is equal to 1, and here a power value also 1. So same variable a power adding power value. So a into a, so adding power value 1 plus 1, 2. So next 3 multiplied by third monomial a power cube. So first we multiply sign here plus into minus, minus. Here number 1. So 1 into 1 is equal to 1, and the same variable a. So a variable a, here also a. So adding power value 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 1 a power 5. And the third question, 4 monomials. 2 4y, 8y squared, 16y cube. So we multiply 2 monomials, 2 into 4y into 8y squared into 16y cube. So first we multiply first two monomials, next two monomials. First two monomials, first we multiply sign plus into plus. Next we multiply number 4 2s are 8. So no variables here. So y variable comes only y. Next last two monomials. First we multiply sign plus into plus. Next we multiply 8 16s are 8 6 are 48, balance 4, 1 8s are 8 plus 2, 8 plus 4 12, 8 plus 4 12. So 128. 8 16s are 128. Next we multiply variable, same variable y, here also same variable y, same variable y. So adding power value 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 5, 2 plus 3 5. Next we multiply the two monomials. First we multiply sign, 8 plus into plus, plus into plus plus. Next we multiply number, 8 into 128, 8 into 128, 8 8s are 64, 6 balance 6, 8 2s are 16, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 6 22, 2 here balance 2, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 2 10, 8 plus 2 10. Next we multiply variable, same variable y, y power 1, the power value is equal to y power 1, y power 1 and y power 5, y power 1 multiplied by y power 5, same variable y. So we adding power value 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5 6. Next one homework part. Complete the table, complete the page number 144. Next one homework part. Complete the table of products. And fourth question, number 4. Fifth question, number 4 and 5. The three sums are homework. Thank you, students.